Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your PandaBuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end back within the home page. Click on your account icon once again, and then click on User Center. Now, from your account page, click on the account button at the left side, and then click on Account Safety. You will now see the Modify Password button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will first need to enter your current password. Type in the password that you are currently using to log into your account, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password box. Finally, enter this new password once again for confirmation, and then click on Get Verification Code. You will then need to check your inbox to find the verification code to verify your identity. After entering this code within this box, click on the Submit button, and now your password will successfully be changed on your PandaBuy account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on PandaBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.